Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And today I have an unboxing for you, a collection for you, and to show you something else cool too. Let's see, let's start with the cool thing first. I was just going to show this. As I'm dropping lots of things, I made this. This is a little bag charm that you can buy at Babylon Leather. And this is a not sponsored video at all. I bought this with my own money, but you can make, they have these little teddy bears. I think they're around $30, but then there's always a discount with Babylon Leather, so they're less than that. But you can make them yourself. You put it all together and stitch it, and they just make the cutest little bag charms. And with bag charms going for like $100 or more half the time, I just thought it was a really cute little thing to do that you can make yourself. They have different colored shirts available, and I just thought they were really cute. It was really fun making it, so I just thought I'd show you. It doesn't take very long to make, and I have a link in the description box down below that gives you can go to Babylon Leather on, and it also gives you a discount code. So yeah, definitely, if you like to be crafty, just think about making yourself a little bear.
I'm gonna call him Roosevelt.
And that's why? Because he's a teddy bear? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sorry.
And we all know about Teddy Roosevelt.
Okay. Here's our president.
And?
They named the teddy bear after him?
Bing, bing, bing.
Thanks. All right, so I have an unboxing for you today. This one is actually from Fashionphile, and so I thought I'd show it. Fashionphile was running all kinds of deals. Why? I think everybody wants to run deals right now because the luxury stuff just isn't selling like it had been. And this, I had been watching this, and it had gone down lower in price and lower in price, and it was something I was interested in. You might be able to guess what it is by the picture from this video. But then they had their 10% off thing, and usually when they're doing their little percentages off or whatever, it's always like of something this much or more, but this time it wasn't. So after this got discounted and you could get the 10% off, I'm like, I'm just picking this up.
Wow, so no fine print this time, huh?
No. So you open it up, and they gave me they put it in a little dust bag. I don't think it came in a dust bag. And you get your little file, and then the calendar for this year is mushed in here, but we have a calendar as well. Oh, that's got something on it I would like. I would love to get that Chanel rainbow colored wallet on chain, but anyway, so what I got was another addition to my collection of clays. So this is from Louis Vuitton, and this is in the Suhali leather. I believe that's goatskin leather. So here's the front. You know, is it been used? Yeah, absolutely. But I still thought it was in relatively good shape. So you got the front here, the cool brass rivets that look perfect.
Rivet.
Nope.
Rivet.
The back side looks great.
Rivet.
The zipper, this part still looks good. Looks like this part maybe I could clean a tiny bit. And I have some brasso, so I can do that. And then the interior has the little clip that looks like it's never been used or taken out of here. And the interior also is spotless.
We'll call it pristine.
So I love this, and we know I like clays, so I thought I'd just show my collection.
Would that be considered quiet luxury or whatever you call it? Because it can't really see what it's...
Yeah, it would. The only thing that would even tell you what it was is it says Louis Vuitton on the pull.
Okay.
But yes, that would be quiet. Good job. All right, so without further ado,
quiet luxury.
Let's see. My collection. I also have the old school Murakami.
Oh, it's got the corners like the other one.
In the dark, yep. Mm-hmm. I have...
That one's a little louder.
Just the plain, yeah, Louis Vuitton monogram. I have this dark green canvas monogram. It's not coated.
It's for the army.
This one's got the cool little, like, locket.
For the zipper pull.
The zipper pull, yeah. I have the groom.
Looks like he's running away.
He probably is. He's cool because the interior's gold.
Nice.
I have brother or sister to the white one. This is a Suhali one as well. This is in the blue.
Got to be brother. It's blue.
Doesn't have to be.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't. All right, then I have the black damier graphite. I have the reverse monogram in the, what is this called? I always forget. Damier
Azure?
something. No.
No? Okay.
No. In that color, though. I have this year's Christmas animation that has the fun periwinkle blue. I have now I Damier Bean. Now I can't remember what this is called. Plain one.
Sucks getting old.
I'm using this one right now, so it's got my change in it. But this was the animation. Okay, so this was last year's animation. I was thinking last year's was different. This is just the monogram with the picture on it. It's one of theirs. They always make a couple for Christmas. I have this one, and I forgot the name of the series, and it like tribal. It's got the epi leather in the fuchsia color, and then the interior is matching. And last, but certainly not least, is the Damier
Azure?
Yes. One. So that is my collection now. How many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of them. I want to get the matching one to this in the white canvas for sure. I think there might be a couple more of these that I might be interested in. And then I think I have, for the most part, most of them. I mean, there's some other there's some other holiday animation ones that I don't have, but I don't need them as long as I have one from that year.
Remember that, $7.55. I don't need them.
Anyways, I don't have to be held to anything on this. Right? This isn't being recorded, is it? But no, that's what I have for you today. So I was just excited to show you those items, and excited to open up that little thing. I can't remember how much it was. It was under 200. I want to say it was right around 100 for that. So I thought it was a great deal, relatively speaking. So yeah. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary related handbags, small leather goods, stuff like that. Every once in a while, some other stuff that's my jam. I do a bag swap video on Monday nights where I switch from my current bag into my new bag, give a little bit of information about both. If you see a video pop up of mine on a Thursday, it'll be a book-related video where I go over books I'm reading, books I want to read, books I read, do book hauls. I may start a book club. We'll see. I'm kind of feeling things out with that. But if it's a Thursday video, it's going to be a book video. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's just JAME_S_Jam. I have a super fun unboxing coming up on Saturday that I'm super excited about. And just lots of fun stuff coming for 2026. Been feeling better, getting a little bit better every day. I wouldn't say I'm 100% yet, but I'm getting there. Got back on the treadmill, so we'll see how she goes. But until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.